Hello, I am Maryam, the proud owner of Limitless Home Chef. Today I am so excited to share with you the extraordinary culinary experience we offer. At Limitless Home Chef, we specialize in bringing the joy of delicious gourmet meals to your doorstep through our weekly meal services. Imagine coming home to a professionally crafted dinner without the hassle of cooking. For those seeking an exclusive dining experience, our private chef services are tailored just for you. Elevate your gatherings with a culinary journey curated to your taste, transforming your home into a personalized restaurant setting. It's not just a meal, it's an unforgettable dining event. If you are looking to enhance your culinary skills, join us for our in-person and online cooking classes. From the basic to advanced techniques, we are here to inspire and guide you on a culinary adventure. At Limitless Home Chef, we believe every dish is a masterpiece. Every event, a celebration of flavors. Contact us today and let's embark on a culinary journey that goes beyond boundaries. I am Maryam, your private chef, and I look forward to bringing the world of the Limitless Home Chef to your table.